two trains are moving in opposite direction at 60 kilometers per hour and 90 kilometers per hour. Their lengths are 1.1 kilometers and 0.9 kilometers respectively. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train in seconds is what? Okay, so two trains are moving towards each other, and we all know, in order to calculate the relative speeds of two trains, or let's say two objects that are moving in the opposite direction, or when they are approaching each other, the speeds of both the objects or both the trains are added together when they are approaching each other, or when they are moving in the opposite direction. So here the relative speed will be 60 plus 90, which is 150 kilometers per hour. Okay, now we have got our relative speed. Now question is asking us to find out the time. So in order to calculate time, we know that time is equals to distance upon speed. We have got our speed here, but what is the distance? We don't know that distance is. Let's find out what is the distance. Okay, time taken by the slower train to cross each other. So let's say, how will we tell when both the trains have crossed each other? Let's say this is train A, whose length is 1.1 kilometer, and then this is the train B, whose length is 0.9 kilometers. When can we say that both the trains have crossed each other? When this part of train A, okay, when this part of train A crosses this part of train B, after that only we can say that both the trains have crossed each other. So the distance will be the length of both the trains combined together. So your distance will be 1.1 plus 0.9, which is equals to 2 kilometers. So we have got our distance, it is 2 kilometers. So now let's calculate. Time will be, distance is 2 kilometers divided by speed we have just calculated, it is 150. Now this time is in hours because everything is in kilometers per hour. Okay, so we have got our time in hours, but the question is asking us to find it in seconds, and all the options here are in also seconds. So now let's convert this into seconds. So 2 by 150 into 60, now this is converted into minutes, then we again multiply it by 60, now this is converted into seconds. So let's simplify, let's calculate. 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 12s are. So we have got our answer. T is equals to 2 2s are 4 into 12, which is equals to 48 seconds, and this is our required answer. So your option C is the correct one.